What's up, everybody? I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today we have a 2016 Cadillac SRX. So this is the factory screen here, and the touchscreen actually does not work. So if you touch this here, it doesn't function at all. So this is a very common problem on the Cadillac radios, especially the Q radios. The Escalade as well has the same type of screen. So what we're going to do is this screen here is going to be replaced. We're going to put this new touchscreen in place and repair the original radio that's in there, and the touchscreen will be fine. Once it's finished, I'll show you guys how it functions afterwards. So it's all switched out now, and the touchscreen works like it's brand new. Everything works. All the sections above it, below it, all of the area works. So if you guys want to fix your radio, if you have a problem with your Cadillac radio, SRX or Escalade, or any other car, if you want to upgrade it or repair it, come by and check us out, Santa Clarita Auto Sound.